Welcome back to Ride Reviews Pro, the ultimate channel for next-generation machines and cutting-edge tech in motion. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2026 F-47 NGAD jet, the United States' newest sixth-generation fighter designed to dominate the skies of the future. Combining stealth, artificial intelligence, and unmatched maneuverability, the F-47 isn't just another aircraft, it's a leap into a new era of air combat. The evolution of air power. The Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program represents the U.S. Air Force's bold response to rapidly advancing threats. The F-47 is the centerpiece of this initiative, succeeding the F-22 Raptor in pushing boundaries in every conceivable way. Unlike traditional fighters, the F-47 isn't just a single jet, it's part of a family of systems designed to work seamlessly with autonomous drones, satellites, and networked command platforms. This approach makes it more than a fighter, it's an airborne hub of coordinated power. Design and performance. The F-47 NGAD features a sleek, tailless delta wing design for maximum stealth and aerodynamic efficiency. Built from advanced composite materials, it minimizes radar signatures while allowing for extreme agility at both subsonic and supersonic speeds. Under the hood, a new adaptive cycle engine delivers unprecedented thrust and fuel efficiency. The jet can dynamically shift between high-power combat performance and long-range cruising, making it ideal for missions deep into contested airspace. The cockpit is equally futuristic. A fully digital panoramic display provides real-time data visualization, supported by AI-assisted systems that analyze threats, manage sensors, and even suggest tactical maneuvers. In essence, the pilot is no longer flying solo, the jet itself acts as a digital co-pilot. Advanced weaponry and connectivity. The F-47's weapons bay is designed to carry both conventional and next-gen armaments. Beyond missiles and bombs, it supports directed energy weapons and hypersonic projectiles, giving it unmatched versatility. Equally impressive is its battle network integration, the ability to communicate and coordinate with unmanned loyal wingmen drones, providing both offensive and defensive support. This man-unmanned teaming is a game-changer for 21st-century warfare. The future of flight. The 2026 F-47 NGAD marks a defining moment in aerospace history. It embodies the transition from traditional piloted combat to AI-enhanced warfare, where machines think, react, and adapt faster than ever before. With production models expected to enter service soon, the F-47 stands as a bold statement: air superiority isn't just about speed or stealth, it's about intelligence. This is Ride Reviews Pro, bringing you the future of flight. Stay tuned, because the sky is only getting smarter.